Today we're going to be making scrambled eggs in the microwave. Now, my friends call me the professional microwave chef because that's what I am. And in this clip, you'll see me putting them in the microwave without scrambling them. But then 30 seconds in, they smelled and looked inedible, so I scrambled them up, add some butter. Alright everybody, microwave scrambled eggs don't look very good, but don't let that discourage you. Let's try some. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, they've cooled down a little bit now, so let's try them. Not too bad, but they'd be better with some mayonnaise. Alright, so the mayonnaise has to be Hellmann's. I'm not sponsored by them, but I don't like the store brand. I have low standards, but not that low. See that? Yum. Not bad, not bad. No, I'd recommend it without mayonnaise. However, regular hard-boiled eggs do taste good with mayonnaise.